Okay, it's a beautiful sunshiny day here in Zone 9B in Louisiana, and today I'm gonna tackle cleaning out my green garden bed. Look how look how bad it looks. The freezing temperatures really killed everything. So I'm gonna try and cut off all the dead leaves and see what's gonna sprout back and continue to grow. And I may sow some more collard greens and mustard green seeds over here. Look back there, my red mustard greens are coming back. I see you. Okay, let me get started cleaning up this area. Okay, red mustard greens. Y'all look like the only ones that's still alive. Everything else is died off. Okay, let me get ready to tackle this area. Okay, I cleaned out my green garden bed area. Cut off all the bad leaves. Left all the ones that look like they're continuing to grow. Over here is my collard greens. See if I'm gonna get some more growth out of this area. I'm gonna sow some more seeds over here. Mustard greens. They're all looking good. I got garlic and onion growing up in here with the greens. Red mustard greens here looking beautiful. Regular mustard greens. They trying to sprout back up. See one here I needed to cut off. Okay. I'm gonna feed them all some super juice today to help them boost back up after this hard freeze hit them, and see if I'm gonna get any more greens to produce for me this season. Okay, collard greens, continue to grow. Okay, after the super juice, they look like they sprouting up. They looking happy. Look at them. I'm gonna continue to grow mustard greens over here. And my collard greens, come on and sprout back up. Come on. Garlic and onion, y'all continue to grow. Big bulbs for us too. Okay. Come on, greens. Come on and grow beautiful for us. Big and beautiful. Big Mama's garden.